Redtail CRM Honest Review. Watch before using. If you're in the financial services industry, you've probably heard of Redtail CRM. But is it really worth your time? Let's break it down. Redtail CRM is specifically designed for financial advisors and wealth management professionals. Its core goal is to help streamline client relationships, track interactions, and ensure compliance. One of its standout features is the client management system. It keeps all your client data, notes, emails, and meeting histories in one place, making it easy to stay organized and personalize your client interactions. It also offers workflows to automate repetitive tasks, like following up on client meetings or sending reminders for compliance deadlines. This feature can save you hours of manual work every week. Another highlight is the integration options. Redtail connects seamlessly with other tools financial advisors use, like Morningstar, Riskalyze, and Orion, to name a few. This is crucial because it reduces the need to juggle multiple platforms. You'll also find a document management system, which ensures you're storing and accessing client files securely and in compliance with industry regulations. Redtail also offers Redtail Speak, a compliant texting solution. This is a game changer, allowing advisors to communicate with clients through text without worrying about regulatory issues. The platform includes calendar management, allowing you to schedule and track appointments while syncing with tools like Outlook and Google Calendar. However, Redtail isn't perfect. The user interface feels outdated compared to modern CRMs like Salesforce or HubSpot. It's functional, but lacks the sleek, intuitive design you'd expect in 2025. Also, reporting features could be more robust. If you're someone who loves custom reports, you may find Redtail a bit limiting. Another downside is that the mobile app isn't great. While it's useful for quick tasks, it doesn't provide the same functionality as the desktop version. That said, Redtail's customer support is a big plus. They offer live chat, phone support, and training resources, which can help shorten the learning curve. So, who is Redtail for? If you're a financial advisor looking for a cost-effective CRM that prioritizes compliance and integrations, it's a solid choice. But if you need a modern interface or advanced reporting, you might want to explore alternatives. Overall, Redtail CRM excels in industry-specific features and compliance, making it ideal for financial professionals. But its dated design and limited reporting may hold it back for more tech-savvy users. Test it first, and make sure it aligns with your needs before committing.